Hello everyone, so in this video, let's talk about the A problem from the educational code forces round 65. The problem name is telephone number. So as you can see, your telephone number is a sequence of exactly 11 digits, where the first digit is 8. As you can see, this is a possible sequence of a telephone digit, like a telephone number, in which the first digit has to be 8 and the total length of the telephone number has to be of 11 digits. And as you can see, this is not a proper, you can say, a telephone number, and this is not a telephone number because it starts with 7. This is greater than 11 digits. You are given a string s of length n consisting of n digits. You are given some string, and in one operation you can delete any character from the string s. Okay, and then you can delete any character and the string will become like this. So let's say if you delete from here the first character, okay, if you delete the first character, it will become 1 to 1. If you delete the second character, 1 to 1, third character, 1 1 1, and so on. Okay, and the last character is 1 1 2. These are possible things you can get after deleting any character. So you just have to determine that can you get a valid telephone number like this, like a such that which like follow these two conditions after deleting any number of digits from that particular string that you have. If it is yes, print yes, else no. So is it valid? Is it possible or not? Now let's say if the string is less than 11, because you can only delete it if it is less than 11 digits, it is not possible. So less than 11, so not possible. If it is greater than 11, then it has some options. Let's say it should have 8. If it doesn't have 8, no 8, then also it is not possible. Let's say it if it has 8. So if it has 8, I will delete, let's say there is some elements in the front. Let's say it has 1, 2, then 8, and then something like this. So whatever element is in the front, I have to delete such that I can get the first element to 8. So I have to find out the first occurrence of 8 from the left hand side, and I will delete all of these characters. So let's say it has 8. So delete all occurrence before 8, before first 8. First, so before first 8, I have to delete all the occurrences. If I delete it, then whatever is the final string, it has to be again at least 11 length. It should be greater than 11 length. I can delete any other like numbers or digits. But again, after deleting the first digit before the first occurrence of 8, the rest of the remaining, let's say, digits should be at least 11 again. Because then only that is a valid number. So that's the complete logic, nothing much difficult here. Let's move on to the code part. Now I hope you understand what are the different cases that you have to check. So what you can check here, that we have for different strings, so different t as an input. Okay, for every, so I've created it separately, but you can create it in the while loop only. This is the while loop. For every while loop, we have the length of the string and the string itself. So length and the string itself. If the string is less than 11, answer is no. If the string is greater than 11, then I have to find out the first occurrence of 8 over the whole string. When we find out the first occurrence of 8, I will store it in I. Then I will check that it has to be at least that I have to first check that the 8 should at least occur. So I initialize this with -1. If this again is -1, which means that it doesn't have 8 at like anywhere present in the string, that again it is no. If 8 is present, then I have to delete all the characters before 8, and I have to check that whether the rest of the string, so n minus the string that is left after deleting it, if it is, let's say, greater than or equal to 11, then the answer is yes, else the answer is again. So that's complete logic. It's just a simple check over the complete string and then checking out all of these. Okay. If you still have any doubts, you can mention on in the comments of this particular video. I will see you in the next one.